We are in search of good friends. Am I right or not? If you can take today those 7 friends to your as white horses to your valuable chariot of life, your life will not just go on the surface of the land, it will go in the heights of sky. I definitely promise you all. Allowing us to stay in her womb for 9 months, bearing the life and death stays at the time of delivery, bared the labor pains like anything in this world. Put your hands like this, both. Please don't talk. Good, good. Put all your plates down. Thank you. Very good. Great. Great. Nana, great. Like this. Shh. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Shh. Problem is, sir. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Thank you, Nana. Thank you. Thank you. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Observe the silence. Life. 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 Wonderful life. Being born as human, it's a boon. Being born as human is the most fortunate thing. Close your eyes. Imagine a new person who is there in you, who is a stranger till today, who is residing in you, who is just living in you, who is awaiting for you, for your interaction. My dear sons, life is so beautiful. Our mother, has given this valuable life. She had gifted us, bearing all pains, sharing all blood, sharing all flesh and bones, allowing us to stay in her womb for 9 months, bearing the life and death stays at the time of delivery, bared the labor pains like anything in this world. We all must love her for her sacrifice. My dear friends, never be angerful on mother. Never fed up with mother. Never allow any disgustness, any hatred towards our beloved, godly, divinely mother. Father, my dad, who had given this wonderful body, Dad, it is you who gifted me. The warmth blood of Dad, the sweat and the care and the share and the feel of our beloved Father, which acknowledge in our every development and improvement. We are indeed blessed, indeed so grateful to our beloved parents. My dear friends, there is a person within you who is holding all these divine thoughts. Never leave that person. That person is not ordinary. That person is not general. That person is unique and extraordinary. That person is nothing but the form of God. That person knows all good and bad, right and wrong, light and dark. He knows everything of us. He is nothing but the form. In a formless way, we ignore him or her. We don't even bother about that wonderful personality which is staying right in our soul. At this very best moment, at this very marvelous moment, let us all have a simple interaction with that person. He will carry his thoughts. He will carry his ideologies. He will carry his objectives. He will teach us everything. He will preach us. He will set right us. He discriminates. He tells what is good, what is bad, what to do and what not to do, what to see and what not to see, what to listen and what not to listen, what to speak and what not to speak, and how to behave and how not we should behave. Everything is being said by him. But till today we are not in a position to listen to those wonderful teachings, love, values of that beautiful inside person. That is your and our conscience. Buddhi. Just kiss that discrimination power inside your heart. Don't open your eyes. Rub it. Rub your hands. Put it on your eyes. Just once see your mother and father in the palm. Kiss them. Clap for them for the wonderful life that they have gifted. Something more for them. Thank you. Don't talk. How did you feel? Marvelous. Thank you, boss. You have said through your sound. Right. We are in search of good friends. Am I right or not? We are in search of good. Don't put your concentration here, there, on the plate, on the surface, on the light, on him. Have focus. That is what I'm going to tell you today. That is what the God is going to speak through me today. We are all in search of good, great friends. Good, great. Say aloud. Good, great. Do you do you really want great friends? In our view, great friends mean, listen to me carefully. Great friends are good in nature, well disciplined, well behaved, well thoughtful, well helpful. So on, so on, so on. No. Take a definite meaning of that very goodness. Take a very definite meaning of that valuable friends. It's called F. The spelling of friends. F R I E N D. Yes. Who are those great friends? Friends. There are 7 great friends. Today is Ratha Saptami, Lord Sun's Jayanti, Surya Jayanti. How many horses are there to the chariot of Lord Sun? 7 white horses. Like that, if you can take today those 7 friends to your as white horses to your valuable chariot of life, your life will not just go on the surface of the land, it will go in the heights of sky. I definitely promise you all. What does the first letter of friend stand? F. What does the first letter of friend's word stand? F. What is it? अरे बाबा सभी को बताना है. What is it? F. F. What does F mean? Focus. 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 Bhaiya, don't talk to the others. If you are talking in a session like this, what does it mean? You know, a person, a nurse who is serving your father in intensive care unit in ICU, she is just injecting an injection into the IV canal as she is browsing, as she is having a mobile in her lap, chit-chatting with her boyfriend. If you talk in a session like this, means that you have been observing through the glass doors that she is injecting IV into your father's body in ICU, but she is chatting with her boyfriend over phone. Will you allow her? This is a session of that kind. Yafa, focus. Yafa. Earlier I told how I learned Hindi. I'll just tell you. At the age of 10, where my mother's brother, one of my uncle, was staying at New Delhi. This is in 1988. Myself, my sister and my mother wanted to go to Delhi to All India Institute of Medical Sciences for the thorough examination of my eye disease. Unfortunately, the train reservation was one day before. We went in the midnight 12 o'clock to the railway station, but the ticket collector said that, Amma, I'm sorry, you have booked your tickets to the previous day. Your train had already gone 24 hours back. Sorry, you can't board the train. Somehow we bought general tickets, boarded into the reservation bogie, requested the TT, the ticket collector, so please at least could you provide some berths for us. Please listen to it very carefully. After 13 to 14 hours, the ticket collector in the train came to us and gave us 2 berths. Myself and my sister were sitting all those 14 hours, but my mother was standing all alone, even without sitting. She is utterly tired. After birth was given, she laid down and massive fever. Her body was boiling like anything. 102 plus temperature she is suffering for. She was unable to even open her eyes. As the train entered Madhya Pradesh, all Hindi spoken states. I am studying class 5th. I don't know what Hindi. I don't know even Hindi, even कि ये क्या है, यही मुझे मालूम है. She is unable to open eyes. My sister was a little kid. What shall I do? Even she was unconscious, you know. My mother was. Literally, I say, tears are welling out from my eyes. मैंने focus किया. I did not cry. I did not stop with a cry. I have focused what everyone is speaking. Oh, वो क्या है? वो कितना पैसा? वो क्या है? All these spoken Hindi terms were focused by me, and I learned it or those phrases instantly. I have taken some money from my mother's handbag, went down onto the platform, and मैंने पूछा एक आदमी से, ए रोटी कितना रुपया? I don't know that Hindi. He gave me, I gave money, he gave me the roti. I ran and came into the train with a fear that it might go without me in it. And I had touched my mother. Amma, please get up, eat this roti. She ate that roti. You know, literally, we did not take any medicine with us. I borrowed, stretching my arm, मैं भीख मांगा कुछ टैबलेट्स के लिए सब ट्रेन में. किसी के पास कोई पैरासेटामोल है, किसी के पास कोई पैरासेटामोल है. I brought it and I gave it to my mother. I have focused. And I decided one thing at that very point of time. My commitment. साले 10 दिन रहूंगा दिल्ली में. वापस आने का समय हिंदी बोलना है, हिंदी बोलना है, हिंदी बोलूंगा, सीखूंगा, क्योंकि that is the need of my hour. That is the need of my hour. That is the need of my heart. Whoever feels that their job is the need of their life, they will certainly achieve it. My dear friends, I spoke to me in that manner as I had been in New Delhi for 10 days. My intention is one and only thing. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्या कहना है? इसमें मिस्टेक क्या है? I learned at least to the extent where I could express myself in a much more fluent way within 10 days. Is it not focus? Tell me, is it not focus?
Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box, and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.